When someone steps on board one of our trains, one of our light rail vehicles, I would like them to feel safe, comfortable.
Every night we make sure the trains are safe and we make sure there's enough to go out. We are adapting, we are evolving. Whatever demands the public is asking of us, we are accepting it and exceeding it.
So we are at the OMF, which is in the SODO district. The OMF stands for the Operations and Maintenance Facility. We do all of the scheduled maintenance and repairs and inspections here inside this facility. There's a lot going on every single day. Every train that's out in service comes in through the daily inspection area, and all of my crews go through and they sweep them out, mop them, clean them, take care of them, and run them through our daily inspection area with our car wash and bring them back out for pull out the next morning. So there's a lot of activity that happens inside this facility around the clock, but mainly in the PM shift after the revenue service hours.
It's very diverse. There's an eclectic group and everyone's unique, and everyone has a very unique story that comes with them. When they start here, they've either been military, they've worked on aircraft, they've worked on Ferraris, they've worked on jets, they've worked on boats. So everyone here is so unique. We really do have the cream of the crop that work here.
The people here at the OMF are what keep the wheels rolling. We're the ones who get in there every day, every night, and make sure this fleet is serviceable and ready. That's what we do.
We currently have a fleet of 62 light rail vehicles, and we have another 152 cars, light rail vehicles on order. So the OMFE is going to be needed to support the additional capacity of light rail vehicles. We could not possibly fit all of the trains inside this one facility here.
More cars, we need more space. We're gonna need more people to take care of them. We're gonna need more people to manage them, more people to clean them, more people to move them around.
Light rail is exciting. There's always changing. Technology's changing. We're always growing. Sound Transit has continued to raise the bar as the public has raised the bar, and in doing so, the employees continue to find new ways to make it happen for Sound Transit.
I work with a bunch of hardworking people. You know, we're the kind of folks that we're given a challenge, we look at it, break it down, and make it work every time. We have yet to fail when it comes to meeting demand. And we always make the mission, we always do. And that's why I love coming to work here.